How to go live on TikTok without 1000 followers 2025 updated guide. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can go live without 1000 followers in TikTok. So there are multiple options for that. So if you're using a Windows device like a PC or laptop, you must come to TikTok Studio Live and download the TikTok live experience for Windows, and after that you need to install that with suggested prompt, and after that you have to open the TikTok app. If you are using a smartphone, you can open it on your smartphone, and after that you have to tap on profile, as you can see from here, and after that you have to tap on three dot from here, and then you have to report a problem and click on report a problem. Then go to live or payment or rewards. You have to select this option, and then you have to tap on live and select icon start a live, and after that you can tap icon start a live, and then is your problem solved? You will have to tap on no, and they will ask for a feedback, or there will be a option called need more help. You have to click on that and click on hello, I can't access TikTok live features, could you please enable it for my account, thank you. And after that you have to enter the request details. Use the text field to enter in your request. Enter something along the lines of hello, I can't access the TikTok live feature, could you please enable it for my account, thank you. And be polite, as clear as possible. And after that you have to click on the submit button and tap on submit. Your request will be sent. You will hear back from the TikTok team within 24 or 72 hours depending on the number of open requests. If TikTok denies your request, you'll need to get more likes on TikTok to build your following to at least 1000. And the method you will be following using a Windows app or any smartphone app. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.